In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom automations in Monday.com. Fast and easy. This powerful feature allows you to streamline your workflows, boost productivity, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. So let's dive in and learn how to set up these time-saving automations. First things first, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Automate section within your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Custom Automation. This is where the magic happens and where you can tailor the automation to fit your specific needs. Take a moment to click on that option, and this will bring you to a straightforward interface for creating custom automations. Now that you've entered the realm of custom automations, the next step is choosing a trigger. Think of triggers as the events that set your automation in motion. A common trigger is when a status changes to done. This means as soon as a particular task reaches a completion status, the automation wheels will start turning. The beauty of choosing specific triggers is that they allow you to precisely pinpoint when your automation should kick off, making sure it's tailored exactly to your workflow. After you've decided on the trigger, it's time to set up the action. Actions are what happen as a result of your trigger, and in this case, a good example might be notify someone. This means that once the task status changes to done, an automated notification will be sent to a designated person or group. Setting clear, automated actions ensures that your team stays informed without manual intervention, saving both time and effort. It's also a great way to enhance communication and keep everyone on the same page. With the trigger and action in place, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to click on Create Automation. By doing so, your carefully crafted automation will be saved and ready to work its magic within your workflow. This step is crucial, as without saving, all your custom settings would remain inactive. Make sure to double-check everything before hitting Create to ensure your automation behaves exactly as you envision it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've just created a custom automation in Monday.com. Remember, automations are all about efficiency, so take some time to explore different triggers and actions to fully leverage what Monday.com has to offer. Whether you're managing large projects or just looking to shave a few minutes off your everyday tasks, custom automations are your ticket to a more streamlined, productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!